Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a cool lighter trick what you can do with a lighter. Makes it into pretty much a little flamethrower, which is pretty sick. First thing you want to do is you want to take off this metal thing. It only works with these kind of lighters. You get different colours and shit, but you need, it's like a little black thing right there. Yeah, see that? It should be down when you first do it, but I've been playing around with it. First thing you do is put your thumb on it and then put it to the left and then put it up and then turn it left and then put it down and then just keep doing that for about five times or something. Yeah, and that's basically it. And just do that. Start left, down, left, right, yeah. Alright, that's basically it. And this is the flame at the end. Alright, it's pretty big, alright? Look at it, ready? See that, guys? Fucking sick, eh? I've got gas in mine. I don't know if you need gas, but I just have gas in it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, do whatever, leave a comment if you have any questions. Alright, see ya.